What's that? It's a mountain. What's that? What's that? It's a little cutie. Run. Okay. This is my another new bird. His name is Friday. It's right there.